This is the ZipChip, and it's the new way to play. From the way it's thrown to the way it flies, the ZipChip is unlike anything else seen before. It can fly both long and short distances, topping out over 200 feet. We handcrafted dozens of prototypes until we perfected the now patent-pending design. With your support, the ZipChip will be injection molded here in Connecticut, and we'll zip them right out to you. And the whole thing fits in your pocket for fun, anytime, anywhere. Please support us, share this page with everyone you know, and help us bring the ZipChip to life. Thanks.
These are regular keys. This is an OrbitKey. Friends, in 2014, two friends launched a Kickstarter campaign to bring this product to life. With over 500,000 backers and just shy of $10 million in funding, exceeding their original pledge by 4%, the company so humbly named OrbitKey rose from the shadows. Since then, they've gone on to build a solid reputation within the marketplace, while successfully delivering on their promise to the Kickstarter community to provide a creative solution to our keyring woes with a quality product for all key users.
The OrbitKey is soft and harmless to your pockets and electronic devices. No more jangling and chickling, no more legs that are tickling, no cracks in the screen or marks to be seen.
Finding your keys is quick and simple with OrbitKey. You can organize and stack your keys in your preferred order to make sure that your entries are as quick as your exits. Over the last couple of years, OrbitKey has flourished into an ever-growing team of passionate individuals whose core focus is you. They've been working tirelessly to provide you with the best alternative to the keychain and sliced bread. Whether you're feeling a bit thirsty, a bit fat, a bit fancy, a bit fast,
Smart glasses. You can spot them a mile away. They look geeky, uncomfortable, and distracting. And having a camera stuck to your face, it's kinda creepy. Introducing Vue, the world's first pair of smart glasses that match your lifestyle and your look. Regular earphones transmit sound through the air, but but Vue's bone conduction speakers transmit it through vibrations. Send directly to your inner ear, only you can hear it.
Hi, Judy. Let's get today started.
Bone conduction lets you stay aware of your surroundings, even as you enjoy your music. Vue is built for people who use prescription glasses, sunglasses, and even style frames. At an ultra-light 28 grams, it won't weigh you down. Vue talks to your phone via Bluetooth. With the app, you can perform a range of different tasks without checking your phone. Like take a call, hands-free.
You have a call from Leslie.
Hey Leslie, what's going on?
Get directions,
In 200 feet, turn left on 10th Street.
or control your music. Vue is designed for work and play. It has a water-resistant housing and built-in activity tracking.
You ran 6,000 steps today and burned 350 calories. Nice job.
You can set friendly reminders,
Hey, Dylan, you've been sitting for a while. Let's take a break.
and it's simple to customize the long press and the double tap.
The time is 3:35 p.m.
Always losing your specs? With Find My Glasses, you can easily locate them anywhere. Vue has two designs, classic and trendy. With its easy-to-use charging case, Vue's batteries last up to 1 week. Smart glasses that fit your lifestyle and your look. Say hello to Vue.